Good morning, students. Welcome to your education online class. Today we will start with the revision chapter, which is in your unit test, first unit test. That is the curriculum construction, factors of curriculum construction. Now, before entering into the chapter, I will tell you that what is curriculum construction basically. The educators or the responsible person, those who are engaged in this sort of work, like which class will have what type of education, what type of skills they must learn, what type of experience they must gain from school education or maybe college or maybe university or anywhere else. They have to keep some factors in mind, that whether these factors are depending on that factor, they used to make the curriculum. Now here in this chapter, we are going to discuss main 4 points or factors which the curriculum constructors must keep in mind before constructing curriculum. Now see, at the age of 5, what you have read, you are reading something different now, and at the age of 20 or 25, if you continue your study, if you continue your course, the course will be different. Now these depend on your age, these depend on your surrounding, where you are staying, and moreover it is 100% dependent on what you can receive and what you can't. That is your capacity, personal individual capacity, that is 100% individualistic. And that is why curriculum constructor, they have also prepared to make, like there are options, like some of you have taken humanities, some of them are taking commerce, and some of them are taking science. So it is individual's choice which subject you will take. So always, right from the beginning of the modern age of education, the child-centric education system has started. So child-centric means here what? Here child is the main important factor which must be considered before constructing curriculum. So depending on that, curriculum constructor have to keep 4 main points. Today in part 1, we are going to discuss about the first 2 factors of curriculum construction. Now first one is purpose of education. Purpose means what? What is the utility, isn't it? So if we consider this purpose of education, we will see that there are 2 purpose, it's 2 factors working in it, isn't it? That one is society and another one is individual or the students, those who are the subject of studies, those who will teach, those who will learn. So if we discuss in point of society, so the education which will be given to the students must be according to the progress of the society. So the society will change, society will progress, and along with that the curriculum will also progress, isn't it? The curriculum will also change its pattern, and that work will be done by the curriculum constructor. So the first one is purpose of education. Purpose of education, there are 2 viewpoints. One is from societal viewpoint, another one is from individualistic viewpoint. So socialistic viewpoint is what? As the society will change and progress, the curriculum and the subject matter of studies will also change according to the need of the society. Second is individual. Individual, see, each and every individual, like you, me, and other people who are around us, everyone is having some individual differences, isn't it? They are having mind, a separate mind, they are having separate capacity, they are having likings and dislikings, isn't it? Everything is different. So purpose of education means here, the if we keep aside the society, the individual is the very important factor of education. So individual capacity, individual mind, body and spirit, whether it is depending, it is developing or not, the type of education which is being provided, will it at all help the individual or not? These all are the very important factor. So through education, all the curiosities of individual will be meted, and also the need of the society will also be fulfilled, because once I have told you for the first point, purpose of education, here two different factors are working together. One is societal factor, factor of society or individual, where society is changing and curriculum is, in easy word I am explaining that when curriculum is society is changing, the curriculum will also change, and the curriculum constructor will also keep in mind the individual differences. Next point, that is the need and capacity of the child. See, it is quite linked with the previous one, where we have discussed the mind, body, and the soul of the individual. Here we are discussing about the need and capacity of individual. Need means, see, what I need you don't need, maybe what you need some other people do not need it, isn't it? So need and capacity means what I am learning in my age of 40, you cannot learn it now. The students, those who are learning reading in class 2 or 3, what you are reading they cannot understand. So capacity means what is the age and what is the mind setup, how they can, what they can understand, whether they can understand it or not. So all these individual factors, all these individual differences, capacity, capability, whether they are capable of learning that, that IQ tests must be done. So many processes are there, that details we will not go through. But the thing is, everything must be considered before curriculum constructions. So the constructor, they are having a big, very big responsibility of considering manifold factors, and with these factors the curriculum constructor can prepare the curriculum construction or the curriculum framework. Depending on that, we see it is why it is so very important, because depending on this curriculum we are progressing, the society is progressing and we are developing ourselves. So what are the need, what is the capacity of individual, what does society need, everything the curriculum constructor have to keep in mind. So in the next video we are going to discuss the next 2 points. These 2 points, I think it is easily explained to you. In the next video you are going to see the other 2 factors of curriculum construction. Thank you.